On your cPanel, if you scroll down, you will see your file manager. Open the file manager. Now, in your case, if you are installing into your main domain, then you should click this public HTML and you should install this package into here. But in my case, I'm installing into a subdomain. So I'm just going to my subdomain and I'm installing this package into here. Okay, that won't make any of the difference. And scroll down, you can see this WordPress toolkit. You can either click that and go through with that, or some of them may have uh, this Softaculous app. You can uh, click WordPress from here and install WordPress into your site first. So what we need to do, we need to install the basic WordPress site into the server first. Okay, we can click here and we just click install, and then we're going to choose our root. In your case, you're going to choose your main domain here. In my case, I'm selecting the subdomain, and I'm going to delete this subfolder. We don't need to install in a folder or in a like different directory. I'm just going to install in my root, which is root in my subdomain. And I'm going to create a username, which I'm going to put my email, password. You can put your password here, which is the one that you need to log into the WordPress. And then you can put your email again. Put my same email. Site name you can change it. Say my online shop or whatever it is relevant to your business. Okay, and a description. um, Online retail store. So that depends on your business, so you're going to put that, and the rest you can leave as it is, and then you can click install, and it will take some time and will get installed. All right, so basically now you have your basic WordPress installed, and if you go to your site now from the top link, you will see a basic front end. Okay, and if you go to your dashboard, to the login page, as you put your credentials, you can log in. So you now you have come to the WordPress basic dashboard. So this is not the site that you bought from us. Okay, now let's see how we install our template into this one. Okay, so now you should have this template zip file which you bought. Okay, and what we need to do is we need to extract this one. We can extract into the same location or whichever location that you can remember it. Okay, and okay, so it will open this one. So in that folder you should have a database SQL file and this WP content zip file. We do not extract this one, we just leave as it is as a zip file. Okay, I'll tell you why later on. Okay, just close this one, go to your control panel. Now when you refresh your control panel, you will see a lot of files in here, which from here we're going to delete this WP content. We don't need that. Okay, and we're going to upload this WP contains zip file. So now, why we need to keep this as a zip file? Because we cannot upload a normal folder into the server unless we do that through a FTP server. So I'm not going to go that far. So just drag this one into the here, and then also let it upload. In meantime, if you go to your control panel again, go to the PHP my admin, you will see a new database must have been created for this WordPress site, but we don't know which one because we got quite a lot here. So what I'm going to do in that case, I'm going to go back to the C panel again, and I'm going to go to the file manager, and I'm going to the root that we installed the file from WordPress, and click WP config, and here you will see the name of the database. It's ending with WP519, so it is simple enough for me to find out. So this is the one that is talking about. Click this one, check all of these, and dump it. We don't need that because we have our own database, right? And click import. Now here, um, you should have a maximum of file upload here. Now in my case, it's a quite big one, but now sometimes you might have like 2 GB or maybe like 2 MB, which is maybe small, which you have to tell your hosting provider to increase that one so you can upload this database. In most cases, you should be able to do without the help of the hosting provider. Okay, so choose the file. We can go either this way, or we can, because we have this one already opened, we can just simply drag and drop. Okay, so you can see it is uploading now. In the meantime, we'll go and see what is happening here. So now the zip file has been uploaded completely, right? So now if you go here and refresh it again, you will see this WP content zip file here. We're going to extract this. So this is still uploading, and this is this. Okay, this has finished extracting. So right, and if you refresh it, you will see this WP content has been extracted. Now you can delete this one. Okay, don't keep any extra files in your server, which is going to affect your site speed. Delete it, and I don't even keep in trash as well. Okay, so now we need to wait till we get our database being uploaded. It's gonna take a little bit time. Oh, it's done. Success. So close it and refresh it. There we go. We got all of them in there. All right. Now, can you see this here? ecom1, that is the table prefix. We need to make sure that we change it in our WP config file. Okay. So when you go to your file manager, in here you open this WP config file, right? Now here we got a kind of different table prefix, right? Which that one was created to its own database when we installing WordPress, but we need to change that to our database table prefix, which is ecom1. Okay, what we need to do is just ecom1. Simple. Save it. Right. So now we got our database being set up now. Close that. Okay. Okay. And the other important thing that you need to do is in your database, go and find the options. Here we go. Options. In options, you need to, on these top two rows, you need to change these values to your website. Now, in my case, it is now say if your site is the HTTPS and then you put your site.com, right? But in my case, I'm putting because it is a subdomain retail.joelsa.co.uk, right? Let's change. I'm going to copy. I'm going to copy if I can the same one into the second one. So this is also important. Otherwise, even you open your site, it will redirect to the site whichever is in these two rows. Okay. Oh, so that's done now. Now we got our all things done here, and we got this file is been extracted and all in good condition. What we need to do is we need to refresh this your dashboard. So now when you open your dashboard, you will see a lot of things has been installed, the store and the page builders and everything, all the plugins that in the template. And also you will see the site that you're going to see. I'm just going to open it in a private browser so it won't cache anything. So this is how you're going to see your front page. Okay, so this is how you installing your website, the template into your server, right? So next time we will talk how to customize all of these. The pages, the front end, back end, your details, your store details, everything. And thank you for watching this video.